The Icebox Hack, a cool DIY solution. This clever girl outsmarted everyone when she ran out of refrigerator space. Instead of spending a fortune on a new freezer, she decided to build her own using nothing but water and a large plastic container. Her method was simple yet brilliant. She filled the container with water but placed a smaller basin in the center to prevent that specific area from freezing. After 24 hours in the cold, the outer water turned into a solid block of ice, while the center remained liquid. She removed the inner basin, poured out the unfrozen water, and carefully extracted the hollow ice mold. The result? A perfectly functional, temporary freezer made entirely of ice. It's a stunning display of ingenuity.